Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to open Revolut account. So first of all, navigate to Play Store, go to search bar, type in Revolut and install this application. Now click on the open button. This is going to open the application. Here you'll have to simply click on this sign up button at the right of this login button. So you can simply click on the sign up button and it will take you to this page where you'll have to just enter your mobile number. Here you can choose your country or region, select it, then add your mobile number. After this, click on sign up. Here click on confirm. Now this is going to show you another page where you'll have to just enter the OTP received. Now you'll have to choose whether you want instant notifications or not. So I will choose yes. On this page, you'll have to choose your country or region. Simply go to search bar, search for your country, select it, and your country and region will be set in the application. Now, after selecting your country, you can see you will have to simply click on accept and continue button. Now, click on leave your email button. So in the email address section, simply type in your email address and click on continue. Now, after you click on continue, it will take you to this page where it will say, awesome, you took the first step to open your account. Your account will be ready soon. So be on the lookout for an email from Revolut in your inbox. Simply click on the logout button. So after following all these steps, you'll have to just navigate back to your Gmail and wait for Revolut email. As you can see, this email says you're on the wait list. Contact me when the invitation is ready. So just wait for your account approval and you would have successfully opened a Revolut account. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.